Hey guys, welcome back, and we are
Ed&Mel.
Ed&Mel.
And what is behind the mystery curtain? Dun, 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 dun.
Yeah. Oh, it's an iRobot.
iRobot.
Roomba. So we are going to do an unboxing of the iRobot Roomba 615. We got this for Christmas.
Hi, Tim.
And we are going to do an unboxing. And we're going to figure out how to use it. And we're going to bring you along.
We got this up in Canada. So the whole flight, we had like 3 different airports. We don't look like we just took a red eye, right?
We just carried it on the plane just by the handle like it's its own little suitcase.
People would stop us in the airport and say, "Ma'am, sir, stop. You are gonna love
that
this
iRobot.
Especially if we have pets that shed. Wallace?
Good thing he doesn't shed.
He don't shed, but our cat sheds enough for the both of them.
Yes.
Man, I'm really loud. Heavy-handed today.
There was also people that stopped us and they named theirs, so I guess we have to name ours. So we got to think of a name, and we'll get back to you on that. All right.
We might need a knife.
Make sure
Airport security made us open it.
Yeah, I told you made us open it. But, well, there it goes.
All right.
So it looks like there's 3 different pieces that come with it. You got your charging cable, got your home base, your dock. This is where this goes into.
And the actual.
And then you get the actual
Roomba
robot.
And that's all that's in the box.
Yeah. So we're gonna take this plastic off here.
Obviously, you get
hold on.
first.
Whoa.
Instructions.
Yeah. Let's get the instructions. So we've been told it's already been charged.
Correct.
All we gotta do is use it.
All you have to do is put it on the floor in the charger station and press a clean, which is the green button or right in the middle.
We're gonna take it out of here.
Ooh, look at this bad boy.
So.
Wow. What is wow? Wow.
So.
This is so exciting.
Here is our new iRobot.
Here it is. Well, let's get this puppy on the floor.
All right.
Unboxing.
Unboxing done. Next step, let's use.
Watch out, animals. Here we go. Our Roomba was, and look at, are you sleeping on the Roomba? Did it get stuck and you're sleeping on it? Well, I guess you're best friends.
Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Ed.
And I'm Mel.
And we are Ed and Mel.
And Roomba.
And Roomba. Yeah, you can hear Roomba in the background.
Who?
If you watched our... Well, I don't know, we haven't did that video yet.
No,
but
okay.
anyway,
Let's turn her off.
I don't know. Yeah.